The psychology of fear. Why we get scared and how to overcome it. Why do we experience fear, and why does something as simple as a movie or a spider send our hearts racing? Let's explore the psychology behind fear and how to overcome it. Why don't ghosts ever tell lies? Because they're too transparent. What is fear? Fear is an emotional response to a perceived threat. It triggers the body's fight or flight response, preparing us to either confront or avoid danger. The amygdala and fear. The amygdala is the brain's fear center. It processes sensory information and activates fear responses when it detects potential threats. Types of fear. Fear can be rational, like the fear of a dangerous animal, or irrational, like a phobia of harmless objects or situations. The fight or flight response. When faced with a threat, the body releases adrenaline, increasing heart rate and preparing muscles for action, whether to fight or flee. Why we enjoy being scared. Many people enjoy the thrill of fear, such as watching horror movies or riding roller coasters. This is because fear, in a controlled setting, can release dopamine and provide a sense of excitement. Phobias. Phobias are intense, irrational fears of specific things or situations. Common phobias include fear of heights, acrophobia, spiders, arachnophobia, and flying, aviophobia. The evolutionary role of fear. Fear evolved as a survival mechanism. Early humans who responded quickly to threats were more likely to survive and pass on their genes. Fear conditioning. Fear can be learned through conditioning, where an individual associates a neutral stimulus with a frightening event, leading to a long-lasting fear response. The psychology of anxiety. Anxiety is a form of fear about future events. It can manifest as worry or dread, even in the absence of an immediate threat. Exposure therapy. One of the most effective treatments for phobias is exposure therapy, where individuals gradually confront their fears in a controlled environment. Cultural differences in fear. Different cultures have unique fears and ways of managing them. For example, some cultures fear supernatural beings, while others focus on fear of failure. Overcoming fear. Techniques like mindfulness, cognitive behavioral therapy, and relaxation exercises can help individuals manage and reduce fear. The future of fear research. As neuroscience advances, we're gaining new insights into how fear works in the brain and how it can be treated, particularly with new technologies like VR. Fear is a natural and essential part of human survival, but it can also be debilitating. Understanding the psychology of fear can help us manage it and even harness it for positive experiences. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more.